Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. So we have to open the web browser in the first step, then go to the google.com. Now it's very necessary step, and remember that switch your web browser to the desktop side. Click on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the files and pick the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one, and click done. And whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same image in the Google database. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.